The iQoo Z7 Pro 5G is the latest addition to the company's Z series of smartphones in India. iQoo is pushing the processor and the design as one of the phone's unique selling points. Armed with a more stylish design than the iQoo Z7, should you be considering the new Pro version? Here's our initial thoughts of the new 5G smartphone. The Z7 Pro comes with the typical bundle accessories, and this includes a 66-watt power adapter and a transparent case. The phone itself looks very stylish in its blue lagoon color. It's also available in a graphite matte color. It's very light at just 175 grams and is only 7.36 millimeters thick, giving it a very premium look and in-hand feel. Despite this slim size, iQoo has managed to pack a 4600 mAh battery inside. The body is also IP52 rated to withstand dust and water. The other highlight is the processor. The iQoo Z7 Pro 5G features a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC, which is built on a 4nm fabrication process and should be very power efficient. The phone has 8GB of RAM and comes in two storage configurations of 128GB and 256GB. The display is also quite premium. The iQoo Z7 Pro 5G sports a large AMOLED display with curved edges on two sides and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate. The Z7 Pro 5G runs FunTouch OS 13, which is based on Android 13, and you do get many pre-installed apps. Now coming to the cameras, the Z7 Pro 5G features a 64-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel portrait camera, but sadly misses out on an ultra-wide camera. iQoo has provided optical image stabilization or OIS for the main camera. The selfie camera on this phone is a 16-megapixel sensor. Overall, the iQoo Z7 Pro 5G could potentially be a decent mid-range contender if design and performance are important to you. We'll have a final verdict on the phone in the full review only on Gadgets 360.